stimulating strategic action beyond the classroom. It is important to note that style, awareness, and strategic action are not limited to the classroom. Any learning that is simply confined to the classroom situation or within the four walls of classroom is meaningless if it cannot be practiced outside the classroom or it is not effectively used outside the classroom. The learning which does not equip learners to be the practical user or effective user of that language outside the classroom is highly discouraged in the language and teaching domain. Studies show that many successful learners attain their goals of mastery through their own self-motivated efforts to extend learning well beyond the confines of classroom. So successful learner, we have to understand that strategy-based instruction equip learners or make them strategic learners. That means that it provides learners with the understanding or sense of responsibility about their own learning and make them self-regulated, which means that they direct their own learning at their own pace and determine their own goals, and their focus is very much not the instruction or the experiences inside the classroom, rather what is happening outside. So taking or extending the learning beyond the classroom is what is the effective learning, and successful learners are the ones who actually apply what they have learned through strategy-based instruction effectively outside the classroom. So that is incorporating basically the real life situations inside the classroom through strategy-based instructions. Now, the ultimate purpose in engaging student in SPI is not simply to complete one language course. Teachers can help learners to see that raising their conscious awareness of styles and strategies aids. It can be used in the authentic real-life situation. The classroom is an opportunity for learners to begin the journey towards success, and ultimately it is the real-life situation that is the main test of their ability. Cognitive variables alone represent a complex system of factors that must be channeled into an understanding of the total second language acquisition process. Now, talking about, since we know that mental processes are highly involved in the process of second language learning, therefore, this point basically concerns with that. And awareness of these factors will help the teachers to perceive in their learners some wide-ranging individual differences and the remedies or measures to address those differences. With many styles and strategies operating within a person, hundreds of cognitive profiles must be identified for designing specific tasks and strategies to equip learners to be an effective user of the second language outside the classroom. To sum up, by incorporating strategic action beyond the classroom, learners can successfully learn well.